Hey guys, it's Loves to Loom here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a gift I've received from Rainbow Loom. This is actually a new box that they are going to be using moving forward. I'll tell you about that in a second. But I was notified last week that I will be one of the 2024 Loom Artist winners. So yay! I'm super excited about that. I don't know the other winners yet, but Rainbow Loom will be doing an announcement very soon, they said. So I just want to give a big thank you to them for choosing me as one of them. I also want to say thank you to Rainbow Loom for their generosity. The gifts they give, I think, is amazing for Loom stars and Loom artists, and they're just a really awesome company. And I couldn't be more happy to be part of the Looming community along with you guys. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Here is the new box that they're going to be using. They definitely wanted feedback on it, and I think it's great. It has a little open here in the front that we flip open. And I have to say, when I opened it out of the big box and seen it, it was definitely another feeling. It just looks cool. Who doesn't love getting gifts in a cute box? So first and foremost, this was on the back of the flap when you open it. And I know it says Loom Star and not Loom Artist. I don't know why that is, but I'm okay with it. It's cute, and I'm going to hang it up. And I was a Loom Star winner before as well, so I will hang this up happily. I just wanted you to know it was in the flap. I peeled it off because I couldn't get that in the screen. So I'll set that to the side for right now. But as far as the box goes, they are going to be using this type of box in the future if you were to receive a gift from giveaways or contests, things like that. So you will definitely be seeing this if you participate and win in any of those in the future. Also, inside this box, they have some things that are not even out on the market yet. So this is actually one of them. It is the Care Bear Loomie. Who remembers the Care Bears? How cute is that? I remember the Care Bears. If you are my age, then you will too. Oh, it even has the little Care Bear face for that. I don't know what that's called. But, look at that. Loom faster with the dual hook. Oh, it has the little dual hook. I've never used that before. There it is. So, yeah, there is the Care Bear Loomie. I definitely can't wait to try that out. Here we have the refreshed Monster Tail. And look at the packaging. How cute is this? So this will be the new Monster Tail packaging. It has the blue Monster Tail in there. The cute little monster on the side. And it comes with a hook that has 3 teeth. That is really awesome. I love it. I cannot wait to try that out. So that also will be released in May. And then we have the cute, I don't know if it's pronounced cute-teak or cutique, but look at this cutie. It has a bunch of these little awesome charms in there. The little rainbow star, little sun. And this one comes with a hook that has 2 teeth in it. For faster speed, faster looping. Okay, so what else do we have in here? This is, more Care Bears. So we have, I'm not sure what that's called. Well, it says Happy Loom, so we're going to call that the Happy Loom. And then it comes with some charms. This is the Beadmoji. Okay, so I've seen these before, so this is not new with the 2 teeth. Have you guys ever used it? Not teeth, but you know, the hook with 2 sides. That is cute, that little Beadmoji. I have another Beadmoji right here. Ooh, this one has some cupcakes. It's the sweets one. I'll definitely have to make some things with those. We have some rubber bands. I've literally never called them rubber bands, and all this time I call them just bands. But I would say these are probably glow in the dark. Yes, so we have Solar Neptune. And what is this one called? I don't know what this one's called. Well, obviously it looks pink, so Solar Pink it is. Who doesn't love bands? I love the solar bands, personally. I have some more solar ones here, and these have a green color to them. Got some clear. I've been a big fan of these solar, what is it, solar moon ones lately. The clear ones, they're really cool. What do we have here? Loomy Pals. Oh, is that a finger loom? Loomy Pals. Oh, it's a surprise. Oh, yeah, there it is. You guys are probably laughing at me. 1 finger loom, 30 Loomy Pals, 200 bands, 40 clips. That's all in this little thing? Seriously? Wow, that is cool. I've never seen this before. Is this new? It doesn't say that it's new. Have you guys seen this? I can't wait to open that. All right. Let's see. I'm not good at unboxing. I always feel like I'm like clueless at this kind of stuff. Oh, yay. My favorite treasure boxes. So I got another pastel treasure box. I showed this in my last video when I did, not my last video, but my Rainbow Loom collection of bands. This is one of my favorites, and this is also one of my favorites. Oh, sorry if I got loud. My face got really close to my camera. This is the sparkle one. I love these kits, you guys. If you've never tried them, I highly recommend them. They are great. And then they did also send, they said it is a 3D printed Loomy style trophy for being a Loom star. So even though this box is for a Loom artist, everything is labeled as Loom star. And they sent a star, which is super cute. Look at this. So you set it up like that. And then it comes with, whoops. It comes with this Rainbow Loom. Obviously, I would have to fill it with bands, which I don't have made yet. And then once I do, I can stick the Loom star into the bands. And then I could put the Rainbow Loom in somewhere. And look at this. It has my name. Loves the Loom. So I will probably put that one down there. So I need to make something to put in there, and then I will display it. But I like it. I think it's very cool. And unique. So thank you, Rainbow Loom. Alright, so that is it for today, you guys. I just wanted to share with you all the cool things that I received. I also wanted to let you know that I won the Loom Artist. I definitely wouldn't be here without all of you guys watching. You are what inspires me to keep creating new bracelets. So thank you so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you to Rainbow Loom for choosing me as a winner. I'm grateful. And that's it. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon at my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.